What's up everyone, Jeffrey Gray here, back with another pressure wash video. Man, check this out. Working on like a private island today. This is awesome. Alright, just pulled up to the job. Got the truck set up here out by the road. And we're working on like a private island back here. Had to drive over this little bridge to get to it. Wash under this carport. Full house wash. Guys, I want to thank all the subscribers that are flooding in. About to hit 500. So I appreciate that. I'm going to keep these videos coming, and if there's anything y'all want to see or want to know, let me know. Got the bass fisherman out here. Don't know if he's had any luck, but I hope so. Got to wash this patio area. This concrete leading to the dock. On top of this porch. So yeah, it's gonna be a good job. Gonna put my camera on and show you all my process of how I do it. So here we go. All right, got my hose pulled here. About to fire up the 8 gallon a minute. Got about 125 gallons in my water tank. So that's more than enough to get started. Plenty of gas. Choke on. Go ahead and wet everything down first. I'm gonna do this side, the carport, and the other side first before I move on to the back. Gonna wet everything down with the ball valve. All right, just turn my soap on so I see it now. Bottom to top. All right, this side's already done. While I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and hit up here. Good, that's all that needs. Guys, always be careful with painted doors. So right now, I'm just gonna wash around it. I'll do that last. Man was just walking his dog down here. He's back behind the trailer. I said, hey, you need your house cleaned? He said, no. I said, well, I'll give you a card anyway. And he said, well, how much do the driveway? So I'll probably end up getting that job. Don't be scared to talk to people. I'm gonna save me a little dry spot right here so I can hit this side without getting drenched. All right, this front side's done and the carport's done. Could turn my chemical off. remember, when you turn your soap off, you're still gonna have about 200 foot of line full of bleach. So that's what I'm doing here. I like to roll with about 200 foot or 250 foot of hose on my pressure wash hose reel. That way I can pull right up front and I can reach around the whole house and not even have to move the truck. So now that I know I got some bleach left in the lines, a couple dirty spots up there I gotta hit. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this door back off. Just like I said, don't want to leave chemicals sitting on there too long and fade that paint out. All right, just rinsed off this side of the house. Got my hoses pulled over here. I've already pre-soaked all this. Wait for my soap to cut on. There we go, got soap. Always hit your window sills again. Sunny and 75 in February. Gotta love it, and working on the lake. Gotta get the boat fired up soon, go catch some of these bass. Look at all them cobwebs. The secret sauce will take care of them. Dang, I should have been a cowboy. Blessed to be able to do this for guys. You see all these guys on YouTube and around your town with these big old trailer setups. I don't know about some of them, but most of us didn't start like that. I started out with a 4 gallon a minute, wheeling it around the house with 100 foot of hose. And I had an X-Jet, and I'd have to carry around a 5 gallon bucket with me. But that was plenty to get started and make some serious money. Got 1 month till April. If anybody's watching this, is thinking about starting pressure washing, you better do it. I'd recommend starting with a 4 gallon a minute like I did. Work your way up, use the customer's water, and eventually build yourself up to get you a trailer set up. Soap off, I need one of those remote downstream injectors. I'll have to get me one of those soon. All right, got my water back on. Gonna rinse from top to bottom. A lot of spider webs, a lot of bugs up there. I'm thinking about getting a water fed pole set up for next month. That way I'll be ready for April. That way all these lake houses I can start washing the windows. Be a good upsell. Comment below some good water fed pole systems that y'all recommend. And if you do window cleaning, comment if you think it's worth it, or if you'd rather just wash houses, and tell me why. Also, how much do y'all charge for window cleaning? I've heard a couple different things. And do you offer just the exterior, or do you go inside and do it too? I'd rather just stay on the outside. I feel like it'd be a lot quicker and I could just use the water fed. But if y'all think it's worth it to do both, let me know. The way it's looking, we're gonna have a big year. Getting these lake jobs, you can make 1,000 a day easy. Hopefully gonna do that for the next couple months. Really hit your windows good. Because if you don't, the first thing they're gonna do is go sit in the living room and see it when they get home when they're looking at the water. I'm just having to take my time on this because I mean the cobwebs just keep coming out and I want to get all of them. Look at all that coming out. Nasty. Yeah, we're gonna have to get them on a yearly schedule. Do a good job and you'll most likely have some recurring work. That's why I offer so many services. Got a full pressure wash business, a landscaping business. They see us do good work in one area. Oh, you do landscaping too? So she's already wanting a quote on all the trees, trimming trees and removal. I think she's gonna be real happy with this though. Keep seeing a little beaver pop up over here. Keep waiting for him to pop back up. He's just popping up and checking me out. As I'm walking around, go ahead and hit these windows. Got the trailer right this spring. 8 gallon a minute in the back. Got the soft wash set up sideways so I can pull it out that side door. And not gonna play around this year. Alright, just finished the back of the house. Just put the turbo nozzle on and took the J-rod tip off. I'm gonna go ahead and hit all these edges. All right, just finished up. Full house wash done. Just wanted to show everybody this. This little bridge I had to drive over to get to this job. This is like its own little island out here. So that's the house I did. Pretty awesome. Already talked to a couple of the neighbors. They want some estimates. Planning to have a real busy March and April. So guys, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody that's flooding in right now. Help me get to 1,000. I'll keep the videos coming. If you have any questions, just let me know down below.